okay? You and I, we are going to do just a bit of mobility and a bit of yoga, a bit of strength, and just standing up stuff to sort of wake ourselves up a little bit. But I'm just free-forming it. I haven't practiced this at all, so come and join me. Who knows what we'll do? Let's go legs nice and wide. We're going to go side and side. Side. I've got a bit of music going in the background with a little bit of beats, so let's going to just do something to that. So you're rolling your shoulders. Okay, let's move the elbow up. So same thing, legs just side to side, keeping pretty low through the legs. And just elbow circles. Yeah, chest up nice and high. How's that feel? That feels pretty good. Okay, let's breathe it in and out. Okay, breathe in and out. As you do that, just obviously bending your knees. You can see that. Out. And one more. Okay, excellent. Okay, I'm just going to bring those legs in. We'll come back to legs out wide again. Let's just shake them out a little bit. Or just walk them. Low impact. It's always good. Okay, we're going to do a few squats. We're going to go out, down, up, in. So left side, out, down. Not hard, okay? Just come out, down. Just little ones. Up, in. So when I say up, sort of half in. Down, up. So I'm tucking my butt under here as I do it. Anything with the arms, okay? Anything with the arms that you like. Okay, let's go a bit faster. We're going out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Just a couple more. And how many more? A couple. One more. Okay, back to center. Just shake it out. Shake it out, shake it all out. Okay, a little bit more shake. Alright, coming out of here again. Are you good? Alright, we're going to go side, side. So we've done this before. So go to the right side, your little shoulder roll. Okay. See if you can keep fairly low through the legs. We're going to do something a bit different. Here we go. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we're doing choreography to the music. Who knew? And out. Big circle. As I'm doing that circle, I'm coming up and then reaching. Can we do it faster? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm reaching out here, trying to be elegant. We do what we like. Round and out. Good for mobility. Good to wake up. Okay, stay here. Let's breathe in. So, in and out. Roll the shoulders and breathe it in and out. Okay. Legs in, shake it out, shake it out. How are you going? Hopefully you're alright. Just be a bit of this and that. Right, do you remember those squats that we did to the side? We're going to do them again. We're just going to get a different track coming up. So we might try to go with the beat a little bit. They're nice soft ones. Hopefully you like them. Shake out the legs a little bit. First of all, actually before we go side to side, just try coming up on your toes. So just a little bit of a mixture of things. Come up on the toes. And come down. Or come down early, whenever you like. Here we go. Coming up on the toes, arms out to the side to keep the balance. And back down. One more. Rising up on the toes. Whoop. I'm having one of those days. It happens. And back down. Okay. Shake it out. So remember we're doing those squats? We're going to start with slow ones again. You You can stay in quite close if you want to remember as well. We're going to go to the right side first. Just wait for it to come around. Here we go. Go out, down, up, in. So remember, anything you want with the hands. They can be just here, wherever you like. Out, down. Now if you've got that, try to go a little bit wider, so try to really come out. Yes. Okay, faster. Out, in, out, and in. A little bit deeper this time. We're a little bit warmer. We're a little bit warmer. I forgot what I was doing. My brain's like, what do I do next? I'll just make it up as I go. In, out, in. Excellent. How about 4 more? Okay, right side, left side. Okay, good. Okay, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. You good? Okay, let's have our legs fairly close together here and just reach up again. This time, looking up if you can, and then hands come down. So as I'm going, arms going up, my thumbs going to the back wall. Thumbs to back wall. Inhale. Looking up if you like, and then thumbs to the front coming down. Okay, roll the shoulders. Jeez, I'm throwing everything at you this morning. That's okay. That's normal for me. All right, a little bit of a shake. We're going to go back on our toes again. Remember we did that one before? So balancing if you need. Feet shoulder width apart, slight bend in the knees, and up we go. You good? If you've got that, go here. It's a bit harder. And back down. Okay, good. Little shake. Try again. Arms out to balance, up on the toes. It's not happening for me today. Do you remember one of those days? All right, working harder. I don't know if I can do this today, but I'm going to try. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, shake it out. All right, so I'm just going to go to the side, and I'm just going to have my legs, so are you, okay? Legs fairly wide, but you're going to turn your right leg out that way. So your foot's pointing that way, okay? So just get a little bit of pull on the hip, slight bend through the knees, just a slight bend. We're going to do a triangle. Okay, so arms are out to the side. Now, you can, people sometimes lock that one. I don't like locking that leg. I like having a little bit of softness in it. So what we do is go here, and then we reach out as far as we can before the arm comes down to do triangle. Okay, so we're here. Get that shoulder, push it back. You don't want to be here, you want to be here. Or somewhere. That's fine. Slight bend in that one. Just stay here for a little while, not here for long, okay? Just doing a little bit of strength work. Okay. Alright. Excellent. Now bend this one. Tuck this one in. Bring it in. We're going to do a little balance. Straight into it, okay? Balance on this one. Slight bend. Arm up, arm down. So you can just stay there, half moon, or lift it up. Just go where you feel right. If your foot is on the ground, that's fine too. Whoa, here we go. Hey, nobody's perfect, even though the song's telling me this is perfect. Hey. So finish your one. I'm sure it looks perfect. We're going to go to the other side. What do you reckon? Okay, so pointing. Left leg out, this one's turned in. Slight bend here, we're going to go triangle, arms out to the side, palms forward, yeah. Good, out, we're good, and down. So slight bend. Here if you like, wherever you like, you can go further down, but I'm just going to stay here, that feels right for me today. I'm going to try to get this arm, pull it back, chest opens. I love it. This song's perfect. But we don't have to be perfect. No one has to be perfect. And that's a good thing. We just try our best. Alright, so I'm slightly bending this one now. I was in my triangle. Were you in the triangle? I'm just talking so much. Pushing that hip away. And I'm going to bend that, bring that leg in. Arms are pretty much in the same position. Down and up. And then we go for the little balance, half moon balance. Boy, this is going to be interesting. Legs up or leg down, if you wish. Touching the floor. I think I'm going to stay here. Yeah, that feels right for me today. Oh, gotta give it a little shot, don't we? Sometimes you just give it a shot. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, coming back in. Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. How are you going? I think you look perfect. Okay, just to finish off, legs just wide. Angle those toes out that way to protect the knees. Just come down. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Big breath. And out. Roll the shoulders. I'm going to bring those legs in. Roll my shoulders. Pretty good. And rolling the shoulders the other way. Okay, thanks for joining me. Just for a little one. Why not? Hey, see you next time. Thanks for coming.